Hello everyone again. I just want to make sure that you guys are accessing the data. Again, I'll show it through the C drive in case there's any confusion. Again, make sure you have a blank map open. You go here to the add data button. Go to add data. And again, I'm going to go ahead and act like I'm there connected before, but make sure you have your C drive connected to. Okay, I know I did this a lot with you guys, but again, if you didn't, this is how you do it. I'm going to hit OK. And again, make sure, of course, you go to folder connections right below home, so go there. And remember, go to GIS data 2. So again, this is what you're going to use for the labs. And remember, this is for your book. So click on this. You need to click on this, click on data, and then again, you'll have all this, okay? So make sure, of course, that you do have all that there when you are completing it. Now remember, for this lab, I say United States Geodatabase with the cylinder. This is what I'm referring to, so click on that. And again, we talk about Colorado streets. It's this one right here, okay? So again, it's this one. And then again, when I'm saying Colorado counties, it's this one right here. I know this is for part 2. Just don't worry about that, okay? But again, as you can see, it's what I'm looking for. And again, you then want to do 2 separate data frames, okay? Just remember, to put in a data frame, you need to go here, insert data frame, okay? And then again, all you have to do is drag it, and you can of course add a new one, okay? And remember that this is your data view. You need to go here for layout view in order to of course see the different maps here, okay? And remember, you can adjust these as well too, as I am right now. Okay, so again, hope that clears up some clarifications for lab number 3, but I do also want to show you where to go to insert everything. So remember, you go to insert here. This is where you can insert, of course, your legend, okay? Remember, you make sure, of course, you change it there, so that's okay. Now, I want to show you guys a trick here before you do that. So, go here to border. It's always good to put a border around it. Hit next, okay? Hit next, next. And there's your legend. I want to show you guys a trick right here. So, I'm going to go up to the legend. You see how the names right here are kind of weird? Okay, the same as here. If you click on this really quickly, I'm going to click on it once. You'll hear it. Okay, sometimes those like to cooperate. Okay, I can actually now change it. I can then go to counties, and you'll see here. Okay. It will then change it there in the legend. Okay, it should be changing it there. Hold on. Wait a minute. Well, that's because it's connected here, so I do apologize. So make sure, again, I'll go here. Again, I didn't create a legend for that one. As you notice, there's 2 legends. Let's say I get rid of this. Boom, it will change it. I do the same thing here. I just say, let's say I want to type in highways. So we'll say highways. It's always good to capitalize too. That's just a cartographic technique. So highways, let's make sure I spell it right. Okay. And as you'll see, it will change it. Now you're probably wondering, how come when I changed it here it didn't go there? Well, because I didn't create a legend for this. I only create a legend for this map right here, okay? So make sure you click on the proper map. And again, let's say I now insert a legend there. It will do that, okay? Learning 2 for a north arrow. I always suggest choosing this one. It's the most standard one used in maps, okay? This is the one I've been using for years, okay? And again, another one too that another 2 is a title. Now, I don't like using this. I prefer doing this. I just go in there, go in the text box. Again, you click on it, just right click on it, hit properties. And again, I didn't say, okay, Colorado maps. What I'll do is I'll then go to, Colorado map. What I'll do then is I can then make it bigger. So I go to size and position. So again, it just does there. But again, I can then make this a lot bigger. Okay, like I can actually make the font bigger and everything. I can go to change symbol, and I can actually make it a lot bigger than it is. Let's say 20, hit OK, hit apply, hit OK. Again, then I can, of course, change the size of it, okay? And again, if you want to then put, say, your name, you just go to, again, insert text again, okay? Again, it was hard to see, so I'll zoom in a little closer. So say I take that, go here, I can put in my name, okay? And then again, I could change symbol, and I can, of course, adjust it. Say 11. Hit OK, apply. Okay, boom. Okay, so again, I just adjust my name there. And of course, I can move this anywhere. Just remember, before you actually do it, make sure it's balanced out as you've seen there and there. Always go to page print preview. This is what it's going to look like when you print it out. So always do that before exporting it as a JPEG. Always go here first, okay, before exporting it as a JPEG, okay? So, again, I hope that clarifies any questions, especially for lab number 3. And again, just text me if you got any questions. And again, I will see you guys tomorrow night. I will go over it in a lot more detail, and also go over some aspects related to projections too tomorrow. So, if you can make it tomorrow, please come. If you can, I understand if some of you guys work at the time, have another class, I get it, but it is highly recommended. Again, I'll be there as late as I need to be to help you guys out. As always, I'll be there at 6. So have a good day, everyone.